Okay, so I'm really sorry for the noises in the background. I really can't help it because my building is just beside this busy road right there. So I'm really sorry for that. But anyways. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2020-24. So in today's video I will be unboxing 2020-25 planner. So this planner I have recently got from Simba Lifestyle. So in case if you don't know, this brand is owned by Mridul Sharma. She is a very renowned beauty creator, YouTuber right there, and I just love and adore her content, how aesthetically pleasing content she makes. And honestly, if I'm not wrong, this is their 7th planner and they are into the business for quite a long time now. And me being me, I have already purchased from them and I love their products, what they sell, and these beautiful stationeries. I absolutely love them. So this time I got hands on the 2025 planner and I placed the order the day of the launch itself. I think it was on 27th of November, and yesterday, which is like 16th of December, I received this parcel right here. It was late, very late to be true, but yeah, certain circumstances was against her, so she also posted in her story. So nonetheless, we will dive into the video straight and see the review of this planner right here and how I liked it and what are my feedbacks gonna be. So if you guys are interested to know how it is, please do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so to be true, it took so long time for me to get hands on this one. I just placed order on the day of launch itself, as I told, but it took so long. Yeah, they have certain, warehouse problem that she mentioned in her stories as well as vlogs. So I understood, but nonetheless, here we are. Let's unbox it quickly. Okay, so this is what I got inside. Of course, this is the planner. How beautiful it looks. Okay, so we will see what we received now. Okay, so of course we have the planner. Coming to this planner little later, but we will see what are the accessories we got along with this combo. So first we have this beautiful letter. This one I have from 2022 planner as well. They has the same printing going on, so I love this. It's very cute little thing. It says, "Thank you, your order made our day. We hope this makes yours. Your support means a world to us. We would love it if you could share a snap on social media." I'm making a dedicated video out of this, so I love this, and that's why this is like just a love for their planner, so that's why it is on my channel. So yeah, this is how the card is, and this is how sweet. Okay, so first coming with this small things we have right here. I think we have this diary, very beautiful. So okay, so these are the two things we got. First we have this very pale blue kind of, basically a pocket diary, and this is how beautiful the color is. It's a very beautiful pale bluish color. So on it, it's written, "You are a song in progress." So this time their whole motto of this year is like a playlist going on. We will come to this planner later, but let me show you accessories. And next we have this affirmation cards right here going on. Let me open it and show it to you how these beautiful affirmation cards look like. And here you go. Wow, these are so pretty ones. So you get this affirmations card right here. What you have to do is that what I have seen, you just shuffle it and pick up 3 cards, and that is like your affirmation for the day or the year in that matter. So in the days you feel low and तुम्हारा moral थोड़ा सा down होता है, you can do this affirmation things and you will be getting a little boost of gain and little boost of your energy to work on yourself. And yeah, so these are so cute. We really need to take care of our mental health for that matter. So these are the cute stuffs going on, and this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm picking 3 for you all just to do this thing. I'm shuffling it nicely. Let me see what affirmations I have or we have. Let's see, I will pick this first three. So these are the 3 affirmations I got. Definitely I didn't shuffle it nicely, but let me see what we got. The first says, today I focus my energy only on what I can control. So this is the first card we got. Okay, so moving to the next one is, it's okay not to be okay. I allow myself to feel whatever I need to. And nextly we have, I am excited for the changes that are taking place. I'm so excited for that, and definitely I love it. Okay, so lastly we have obviously the main character. It's the planner of 2020-25. So it says my self growth playlist right there. So genuinely we have this playlist sort of thing going on, and I love it. So let me just open it quickly now. Oh wow, we have some more accessories. Definitely, I forgot that too. So yeah, calendars, of course. So let me show you how this look like. These are the very beautiful postcard size calendar going on, and they got everything, have every month of the year with different color sort of pattern, and love it. So I love it. Actually, I wanted this calendar to be, he kitna acha lagega as a wall decor as well. So I think that's how they have planned it. Absolutely love it. So January, February, March, April, May, beautiful. June, my birthday, favorite color. July, August, September, then October, November, December. Love it. So these are this beautiful different sort of color scheme going on wala calendar. I love it. I will definitely do this in form of this wall decor wala thing, and yeah, absolutely love it, this calendars. What we have next, I think the stickers we're gonna have at the end of this here, just right here, simple lifestyle, and we have the stickers. Let me show you the sticker card first. Oh my god. So we have this sticker thing going on. Let me show you on a closer view. So this is the first one. Moving to the next one, it's called the Boss Baby stickers. We have this healthy vegetables, fruit and vegetables, exercise, yoga going on right here. This healthy vegetable and exercise, everything right there. I have the similar shoe, Adidas ka. So yeah. Next is this. And last, oh how cute is that? So we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we have 5. This very beautiful sticker of different theme going on, definitely. So this planner comes with this 4 freebies right there. Absolutely love it. And so thoughtful and useful for that matter. Now moving to the main character. I love it. Honestly telling you, blue color is my favorite color, and I somewhere believe that 2020-25 gonna be my year. So it's in blue, my favorite color, having this playlist thing going on, and 2020-25. Oh my god, I love this. Now let me show you closer view. love this. I love this golden detailing going on. It makes the planner looks feel so luxe, and yeah, and indeed it is. And now moving to the very first page, obviously white one. Next page we have. So on the very first page we have this beautiful note from Mridul and Aditya. So this is a note I will give a small read, and yeah, then we will move into it. So it says vibing and thriving. So this year is your playlist. Each month, each day, an invitation to tune in. So turn up and thrive in your own unique rhythm. A journey to becoming the truest version of yourself. Okay, truest version of yourself. And we have handpicked each song carefully for each month, and all this. Very one-to-one connection we get. I love this kind of notes. So yeah, what a great start. Then we have this vision board. So I have planned that I will make a vision board of 2020-25 along with you guys on camera itself. Let me know if you guys will be interested to see my vision board of 2020-25. So this is the first page we have. This is how the vision board look like. It has everything like spiritual, mental, physical, this travel, lifestyle, hobbies, everything to do on a vision board. I thought to paste like the small little pictures. Otherwise I will just write down my vision right here. Friends, family, knowledge, career, finance, and everything we got. Moving to the next page, we have this 2020-25 goals, and yeah, these are how beautiful are they. Okay, so I will give you just an overview. ऐसे मैं उसको पेज turn करके and let me show you how the end look like. You get this beautiful mandala art kind of situation. Also, you have monthly reflection, your travels, and every planning situation going on. You get everything right here. Your habit trackers and everything. I just love it. Let me know that if I do a vision board and everything, what I am planning for 2020-25 on camera or in a dedicated video for that matter. So I would really love to do that. Okay, so that was pretty much of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Mwah. Bye.